Let's be real. Not every day is a wash day. Some days, we just want to chill, binge a show, or stay in bed. But our curls? They still need some love. Today, I'm sharing my lazy day curly hair routine. Quick, simple, and perfect for those low-energy days. Let's get into it. Step 1. Refresh, don't rewash. Instead of a full wash day, I just refresh my curls. I use a water spray bottle and lightly mist my hair. Not soaking, just damp. Then I apply a lightweight leave-in conditioner or curl refresher spray. This brings my curls back to life without stripping natural oils. It's like hitting snooze, but for your curls. Step 2. Quick detangle with fingers. No combs today. I gently finger detangle while the hair is still damp and slippery. Start from the ends and work your way up. Be kind to your curls. They've been through enough. This helps avoid breakage and keeps the curl pattern defined. Step 3. Seal in the moisture. Once my curls are moisturized and detangled, I seal it. A bit of light oil, jojoba, argan, or grapeseed goes a long way. Just a few drops rubbed between the palms, then gently scrunch into the curls. This step keeps the moisture locked in and gives your curls that healthy sheen. Step 4. Style and go. Or not. On lazy days, I go for the easiest styles. High puff, low bun, or just let it be. Sometimes your curls just want to be free. Remember, it's okay to rest. Showing up for your hair, even in small ways, still counts. Lazy days don't mean giving up on your curls. It just means loving them with ease. Your hair journey is yours. No pressure, no guilt, just love. Follow for more real, simple curly routines because your curls deserve care even on chill days.